Today we'll talk about how can you disable signals notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, just click on settings. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications, just click on it. You come here to signals here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that means signals notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.